In today's video, I will walk you through how to download Crypto.com on laptop. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. This method uses Microsoft Edge, so make sure you are using that browser before continuing. After the website loads, make sure you are on the correct Crypto.com page before moving to the next step. When you're on the Crypto.com website, look toward the top right area of the Microsoft Edge window and click the three-dot menu icon. This will open a list of browser options. From the menu, find and select Apps. After opening the App section, look for the option labeled Install this site as an app. Click Install this site as an app to continue. A window will appear asking you to choose a name for the application. Enter Crypto.com as the app name. Once the name has been entered, click the Install button. Microsoft Edge will now create and install the Crypto.com application on your computer. Wait a few moments for the installation process to finish. After the installation is complete, the Crypto.com app will be available for use on your computer. You can open the app and continue from there. In some cases, you may notice that the app has been installed but does not appear on your desktop. If that happens, there is an additional step you can follow to create a desktop shortcut. Open the Crypto.com app that was just installed. Once the app is open, click the three-dot menu icon again. From the menu, select App Settings. This will open the settings page for the installed application. Inside the app settings page, look for the option labeled Create a Desktop Shortcut. Click Create a Desktop Shortcut to place a shortcut for the Crypto.com app directly on your desktop. After selecting that option, the shortcut will be added to your desktop screen. This makes it easier to launch the Crypto.com app without opening Microsoft Edge and navigating to the website each time. You can now access the application directly from the desktop shortcut whenever you want. To quickly review the process, open Microsoft Edge, visit the official Crypto.com website, open the three-dot menu, select Apps, choose Install this site as an app, enter the app name, and click Install. If you want the app to appear on your desktop, open the installed app, access App Settings, and select Create a Desktop Shortcut. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will install the Crypto.com app on your laptop and add a desktop shortcut if you choose to create one. Thank you for watching.